Peaceful sleep, understanding and embracing restful nights. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very comforting and positive phrase, peaceful sleep. This phrase is not just about sleeping, but it's about the quality and serenity of rest. Let's dive in and learn more about this beautiful expression. Peaceful sleep refers to a state of sleeping where one experiences tranquility and calmness. It's not just about closing your eyes and sleeping. It's about having a rest that is undisturbed, calm, and rejuvenating. This phrase often implies that the person sleeping is in a state of contentment and free from worries or stress. Understanding the importance of peaceful sleep helps in appreciating this phrase deeply. A peaceful sleep is crucial for good health and well-being. It allows the body and mind to rest, recover, and rejuvenate. Good quality sleep can improve mood, increase energy levels, and enhance overall quality of life. Let's look at some examples of how to use peaceful sleep in everyday conversations. 1. After a long day of work, all I long for is a peaceful sleep. 2. Meditation before bed helps me achieve a peaceful sleep. 3. The hotel promised a peaceful sleep with their luxurious beds and quiet rooms. In many cultures, the concept of peaceful sleep is linked with peace of mind and emotional well-being. It's often used in literature and poetry to depict a serene and tranquil state of mind. This phrase can also reflect a person's desire for a simple, uncomplicated life. We hope this exploration of peaceful sleep has been enlightening. Remember, peaceful sleep is not just a physical state but also a reflection of a calm and serene mind. We wish you all peaceful and restful nights. Thank you for joining us, and see you in our next video.